Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got a brand new radio for you from RETEKESS. I just got this. They're on sale right now through March 2nd for 30% off, or approximately $18. $18 is all this is going to cost you. Comes with a cable for charging the 18650 battery and a manual, and it has a carrying strap, leather carrying strap attached. It's AM, FM, and shortwave. The shortwave band goes from 8 megahertz to 18 megahertz. Has a telescopic antenna. Let's see here. I'm going to measure it for you off camera. Ooh, it's pretty long. Let's see here. Get my little ruler to work here. And it is approximately 22 inches. So that's for FM and shortwave. The radio measures, let's see, about 8 inches by about 4 inches by about 3 inches. Tuning knob here. On the side we have the on-off volume, the earbud jack, and this is where that cable goes to charge that internal battery. They put the antenna down so I don't break it. And I'll show you the battery compartment right here. And it's a 18650 battery. Now when they started using these initially, these batteries, I didn't like it because it wasn't a battery that you could, stop by a gas station on your trip or something and get one. But they're becoming quite common now. And the beauty of them is they have a high capacity. So the radios will play for a long time. They'll play continuous for days on that battery when it's fully charged. Pretty nice. Good size speaker here. Wood grain finish. Let's turn it on. Here is the band control. FM, medium wave, short wave. On-off volume. Got an indicator light. Extend the antenna again for FM and short wave. And we'll quickly tune the FM band. Let's try and stay away from music. See the tuning dial right there. Boy, picking up a lot of stations. So let's see if we can get this in the camera and get the camera to focus. The camera is fighting me because of the reflection. There we go. Muting while tuning. Very clear. Locked right in. Let me get off that music.
Proposal totals $105 billion. It's a 3.6%
Very
increase
clear
over
audio.
the current year's spending plan, but smaller than the Senate's $108 billion plan. After a vote on the plan...
We'll zip along the band here. Oh yeah, it's picking up lots of stations. Gotta keep moving.
Adjusted, customized
Here we go.
retirement plan. Did you know that your retirement may be 20 to 30 years of unemployment? My name is Elizabeth Holland, and for the last...
Wow. I'm going fast.
I got there, refused to take. And on that land, we.
Good sound. Lots of bass. Very easy to tune. Okay, let's go to medium wave. See you light up medium wave. We'll go down the band. We're going to get some interference from all the electronics in my room.
Jamaican restaurant at 2121 West Oakland Park Boulevard is the hidden gem where love and respect collides with delicious.
Yeah, I've got lots of things that creates RF.
It was never replaced. Yeah, it was bad.
There it's coming
It had
clear.
that kind of creased part in the metal there, but it was still good enough, still strong and sturdy enough that it could hold towels. And so my dad just left it as it was. And waiting for the dawn.
Declaraciones del lunes previas a que hemos.
Nice suit. I would love to hear that. That's good radio. And don't hold back. You'll never be as harsh as the voices in my head. Man, I spent a lot of time driving a taxi and doing stand-up comedy. There's a lot of room for introspection. They out in San Francisco. They were conversation with physicians.
I'm not getting too much interference from all the electronics in my office. There's some.
For the month of February, that team should be ready to play, healthy.
Okay. I don't think I'm going to get anything on shortwave. It's in the middle of the afternoon. I'm in my office with all kinds of electronics. I'll just go through that band real quick. I don't think I'm going to get anything. Okay, 8 megahertz. Might get something above 9. Nah. I'm going to volume up some. Where is that button? Here we go. Like I say, conditions are not good. Propagation is low. Middle of the afternoon. In my office. Not going to get much. Plus, I'm going kind of fast. There's some stuff in there, but I can barely hear it. It would be much better late at night or early in the morning. That's about it. Nice little radio. Again, it's 30% off until March 2nd. Check it out. Have a great day. Bye-bye.